Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. A new fire has broken out in Simi Valley, where a lot of LA police and firemen go to retire. It is near the Reagan Library, and ABC 7 LA is covering it live. And the Kincade fire continues to burn. It is now bigger than the city of Sacramento, 75,000 acres, with high winds today, and the Getty fire is also still ongoing, as the last I knew. And a personal note, Kathy and I have probably broken up. She chose unwisely. She chose to listen to Patty instead of me, and I am finally fed up. I have helped her out for years. I've helped her get 6 Priuses, spent my inheritance money so she could have a car when I should have spent it on me. And she does not appreciate me, and all I hear is complaints. So I'm tired of it. I'm done. 42 years down the drain with a woman who won't listen. Bye-bye for now, and stay safe.